David has asked, when recording 1 hour in-person workshops, great segue, do you just use the camera phone or Zoom or something else? Awesome. So this is actually a pretty good segue into what other tools can you use when recording larger workshops. Number one, make sure you have a good webcam. The brand is irrelevant, but what you do need to ask for or look for when you're shopping is 4K resolution or 1080p. So I'm just going to write that in the chat. If you're looking around, it must have 4K and 1080p. That's all you need to look for. This is basically the highest definition, highest quality you can get. Now, the other thing that's not as important, but I would still be checking, is you want something that's at least 30 frames per second. I prefer to go as high as 60 frames per second. What this means is if I move like that, and as you can see, I talk with my hands, if you move and it's lower than 30 frames per second, it means that it will blur. If you've got 30 frames per second or higher, it doesn't blur. So they are the only things I'd be worried about looking for. The one I use is still off because I took this to Legends Lab Bootcamp and we kicked it off the stage when we were dancing. So I got to buy a new one, is the Facecam Pro. This is the one I use, Facecam Pro. The one I've actually got on right now, because it's my backup, because I broke this brand new one, is the Logitech Brio. But yeah, as long as it's got those terms, it's fine. Number one, you can record on your mobile phone. All of these now are high definition resolution. Make sure that when you're filming courses, you film in landscape. Make sure you've turned on airplane mode. Because someone's going to call you in the middle of your video and you're going to lose everything. So yes, you can use your phone if you don't have a decent webcam yet. But because most of us are screen sharing some kind of slide deck or some kind of something on our computer, just stick with what you know. If Zoom works for you, make a meeting with yourself, do a screen share on Zoom. The other one I've mentioned is StreamYard. StreamYard is a tool that you can both do webinars from, you can do live streaming from, and it streams across all of your social platforms. And you can also use straight up as a filming studio. So you just go in and record a video of yourself. So they are the ones that I recommend, and Descript also. Descript is also a software that allows you to record into as a filming or recording studio. It's also where you can upload any video to do your editing. It also will pull in YouTube videos and Zoom video links for you as well. And it will just allow you to instantly transcribe those videos, add captions to those videos, edit those videos, cut them up into social media videos, and beyond. So they're all the different tools. What I recommend is trialing them all and seeing which one works for you. The most versatile is probably Descript, because not only can you record in it, you can also do amazing editing with it. But if you want to be doing live streaming and mass webinars, you might want something more like a StreamYard, or stick with your good old trusty mobile phone and Zoom. Cool. Any questions? Yes, Barbara.
Just following up, what kind of microphone? I notice you use a very fancy one. What should we use?
So yes, you don't need one as fancy as this. You can now get really good quality microphones just from your normal local electrical store for less than $50 today, honestly. Pretty much anything, as long as it's got a USB connection so that it goes straight into your computer, is what you're looking for. Now, I have a couple. This one is the Blue Yeti X. Blue Yeti X. This one is great if you're doing podcasting or video recording. The other one I have is a Rode, Rhode. Anything by Rode is excellent. And I also have on the other computer over here is Sony. And all of those brands, Yeti, Rode, and Sony, are all excellent. The other one type I like, if you're somebody who likes to record on your phone, what you might like to actually get is a lapel microphone. This is basically, if I got one in front of me here, let me see. No, I haven't. And they've all been packed away from boot camp. But basically it has a receiver that drops in the bottom, and the other end, the microphone just clips onto you here. The one I use is called DJI. This is great if you're going to be doing a lot of presenting on stages, because you can actually record from a really big distance and the sound is immaculate because it's on you. And these are the ones I use for doing the live streams on big boot camps and things as well. Lots and lots of options. So obviously it's going to depend. If you're at your desk a lot filming, I would recommend investing in something decent. The other thing I really love is this boom arm. So I'm just going to pick up the microphone here and hope I don't disconnect it. This is called a boom arm. And I love this because if I stand, I can lift it up high. If I lower my desk down, because I do have a standing desk, if I lower it down, obviously I can just move this around as I need. And you're always going to have good quality sound coming because it's nice and close to you. You don't have to get a fancy one. This came when I bought one of my other microphones, but you can get a boom arm from Amazon for $10. So you can get those pretty cheap.
Sarah, do the Yetis hook into them? Do you know?
All it is just a clip. You just screw it on. So yes, these Yetis come with a screw hole, and all the boom arms, you just just screwed it on, and the USB lead just goes straight into the computer.
Oh, so getting one. Thank you.
I know.
The boom, can I just ask you, is the boom on your desk or is it up above?
Yeah.
Or how does it
Let me
work?
see if I can show you. It's literally just a clamp. So it's just got this little clamp that goes, I can't show you it very well, but it's like a little crab claw like that, and it just goes.
Wow, it looks like you are so professional, but it's just a clown.
Yeah, it's just a little crab claw that just goes, just it closes its mouth over the edge of your desk.